Welcome to this YouTube channel. Now I will discuss about the Laplace transform. In this video, I will solve the GATE question, previous year GATE question, which is asked in GATE 1987 to GATE 1994. Okay. Now let's start first question. Now first question is which is asked in GATE 1987 for 2 marks. Laplace transform of the function t ut and ut sin t are respectively. We have to find out the Laplace transform of both signals tut and sin ut. Very simple. Now first we know that what is the Laplace transform. If your ft is a time domain signals, then Laplace transform is fs, then we can say that fs is equal to minus infinity to infinity for bilateral transform ft e to the minus st and dt. This one for bilateral transform. Okay, but generally we have to discuss about unilateral. Fs is equal to 0 to infinity ft e to the minus st and dt. Okay, when you take the signals ft is equal to is given t ut. Show first this one is the property. Okay, scaling property. We know that ut, what is the ut Laplace transform? 1 by s. How we can say that a ut transform Laplace transform is 1 by s? So find out fs is equal to 0 to infinity ut and e to the minus st dt, and ut is defined from 0 to infinity. Okay, so what will happen? Integration 0 to infinity e to the minus st dt. Take the integration, it will be the minus st upon minus s and 0 to infinity. Put it, then you will get the 1 by s. Now t is multiplication. We know that if yours ft Laplace transform is fs, then t multiplication of ft Laplace transform will be minus dfs upon ds. Okay, so what will happen? Then fs is equal to minus d upon ds 1 by s. So what will happen? This one will be the 1 by s square for tut. So fs of tut will be 1 by s square, and fs of sin at Laplace transform, we know that a upon s square plus a square. Okay, what is the s square? In the place of a, what is the value of a? 1. So it will be the 1 by s square plus 1. So right option will be 1 by s square or s square plus a 1. Option A is also right answer, or option C is also right answer. No, option A is wrong. I have written option A. In option A is given the s upon s square plus a. So option C will be the right answer. Okay. Now comes to next question, which is asked in 1988 for 2 marks. Specify the filter type if its voltage transform function fs is given by hs is equal to ks square plus omega naught square upon s square plus omega naught upon q s is equal to plus omega naught square. All pass filter, low pass filter, band pass filter, or notch filter. Okay, come through. If your transfer function hs, first convert in frequency domain, put s is equal to j omega as j omega. Now check it for which frequency your transfer function is constant or some values. Okay, and where is it is 0. Okay, first convert it as j omega k minus omega square plus omega naught square upon minus omega square plus j omega naught q as omega plus omega naught square. To check it, at low frequency it means omega is equal to 0. Put it as 0. For as 0, what will happen when you put the omega 0, here is 0, k 0 plus omega 0 square and minus 0 plus omega 0 square, you will get the constant sum. Means low frequency will be the pass. Comes to high frequency as j infinity. Then when you take the infinity, first of all divide by omega square, k minus 1 plus omega 0 square upon omega square, and here minus 1 plus, when you divide the omega square, then what will happen? Omega naught by q 1 by omega plus omega naught square or omega square. Then what will happen when you put the omega naught 0, and it will become k. Means high frequency also will be passed. But to check here where it will be the not pass, where it will be not pass. So certain frequency omega is equal to omega naught, it will be in not pass. Means your transfer function at omega is equal to omega naught j omega naught is 0. Means your frequency domain spectrum will be at point omega naught, it will be not pass, otherwise will be pass. It look like notch. Okay, at particular point your signal will be not pass, otherwise it will be pass. Okay, so this one is the notch filter. All pass is not possible because every frequency is not passing. Low pass is also not, because here is the low frequency passes as well as high frequency also passes. Band pass is not pass because it not a particular band frequency is passing. Here is passing everything, only particular point is not passing. That's why notch filter. Okay. Now comes to next question. Laplace transform of a function ft ut, where ft is a period with period t is as t is as times the Laplace transform of its first period. Then okay, we have to find out the as. Okay, this one in 1988. Let us consider a signals where t, this one is t by 2. Now if we start 3 by t 2 by 2t, it's periodic. Okay, so then what will happen, your signal is defined up to 0 to t, and after that next signal is started. Okay, so this one is the gate function in FTT. We can solve the problem with the gate function. What will happen, we have to find out first Fourier transfer function and multiply with as like that, nothing but ft ut Laplace will be nothing but 1 upon 1 minus e to power ts into transfer function of first period of ft. How we can check it? Okay, what is the ft? Ft is nothing but ut minus t minus t by 2 plus, when you check it, plus what will happen, plus u t minus t minus u t minus 3t by 2, like this way. Okay, take it Laplace. What will happen? 1 by s and minus 1 by s e to the power minus s t by 2 and plus 1 by s e to the power minus s t minus 1 by s e to the power minus 3t by 2 s, like this way. Okay, take it 1 by s is common, and here is the 1 minus 1 minus s t by 2 plus e to the minus s t by t minus e to the minus s 3 t by 2 s, like this way. Okay, one is plus, one negative, one plus, one negative. Then what will happen? Here is the common ratio. It will go up to infinity because your signal is not defined for particular range. Then we take the GP and you check it. You will get the lap 1 upon e to the power minus ts into transfer function of the first phase. Okay, try it. Then as will be 1 to power 1 upon 1 minus exponential 1 upon ts, means option B will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. The transfer function of zero order hold is, the transfer function of zero order hold is, what is the zero order hold? Zero order hold means when you are applying a pulse, this one is zero order hold. When you are applying the pulse dt, then it will be the expand up to t time period t. So input is x t del t. Okay, then x is will be 1 and output will be yt is equal to ut minus ut minus t for particular duration. Then ys will be 1 upon s minus e to the power minus ts upon s. Okay, so 1 minus e to the power minus ts upon s. So transfer function will be ys upon xs. So 1 minus ts upon s. So answer will be option A will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. Next question is the response of an initially relaxed linear constant parameter network to a unit impulse applied at t equal to 0 is 4 e to the power minus 2t ut. The response of this network to a unit step function will be, see, ht is given, wait. ht is given 40 ut. The response of the network to unit step function. So we know that response yt in time domain is xt convolution of ht, but in frequency domain, s domain, it will be the xx into hs. So first of all, find out the what is the xt. Xt is unit step. Then xs will be 1 by s, and what is the ht? Ht is 4 e to the power minus 2t ut. So what will be the hs? Hs will be 4 1 upon s plus 2, because ut transfer function is 1 by s. When you are taking the exponential at ut, then it will be the shift. So then s plus a, here is the s plus 2. Now take it response, ys is equal to 4 s plus 2 into 1 by s. Then what will happen? Here s plus 2 minus s upon s plus 2. Then here is the 2 multiplication. then you will get the s cancel out, 2 raised of 2 multiply by 2, then it will be the 4, then 2 upon 1 by s minus 1 by s plus 2. So what will happen here? You will get 2 ut minus e to the power minus 2t and ut. So 2 ut 1 minus e to the power minus 2t, this will be the answer. So take it, right answer right answer will be the option A, matching with option A. Now comes to next question. The pole zero pattern of certain filter is shown in figure. The filter must be following type. So check it. The given pole zero pattern, poles and zero as symmetrical about the imaginary axis. This is the cause of all pass filter, because check it. We know that solution. We know that here is the pole zero and numerator part is known as here you will let us consider s square plus a square, maybe here s square plus b square. Okay, consider. But here for according to this one, it will be the 1 1. Okay, s square plus 1 and s square plus 1. Here is the poles and 0. Sorry, this one is the right side, it means the negative. This one is the right side, it means the negative, because right side means it will be the comes to positive point of view. Then what will happen? It will be passed from this transfer function. When you take this transfer function j omega, it will be passed the some frequency range from 1 to minus 1. So it will be the all pass field. Sorry, s square minus 1. So it will be the imaginary here for all the frequency, all the value of the s, it will you will get the sub transfer function. So it will be the all pass filter. Okay, now comes to next question. The voltage across an impedance in a network is Vs is equal to Zs Is, where Vs, Zs and Is are Laplace transform of the corresponding time function Vt, Jt and It. The voltage Vt is Vt, Jt, It. See what will happen? Here is the Laplace domain. In Laplace domain, this one is the multiplication. Then time domain, what will happen? It will be the convolution. So which one is the convolution formula? They follow this one is the option A is not convolution formula. Option B 0 to t I tau z t minus tau d tau. This one is the follow convolution theorem. This one is the t plus tau, so not possible, and here is not possible. So option B will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. The Laplace transform of a periodic function ft described by the curve below ft sin t for this one. Okay, otherwise 0. So first of all, here our curve is difference of the two signals. Okay, which one? To check it. Sin t. Okay, now shifted t minus pi. This one is a sin t ut. This one is the sin t minus pi u t minus pi. T minus pi. And what will happen? And when you subtract, then you will get a simple one pulse. Hmm. When you add na, add, subtract it and take the magnitude, then you will get the this one pulse, this part when 0 to pi 2 pi, and here is the pi 2 pi. Okay, so what will happen, take the negative. Okay, when you take the negative amplitude, and first this one take the negative, and what will happen, this one will become the reverse, this one will be the upper, and subtract from here, means your for this node, f1s will be, what will happen, uh, minus sine t ut minus, because in my when you take the negative sign na, this one will be the amplitude will be the change from the reverse direction, then what will happen, sine t minus pi and ut minus pi, and this one is considered as a gate function, first one, and multiply with the 1 upon 1 minus e to power ts. Okay, so check it, what will happen, when you take the Laplace, then you will get the f1s will be here 1 upon s square plus 1 minus this one will be the e to power minus pi s upon 1 plus s square. This one will be a negative sign. Oh, now when you take the negative once again, sine t minus 2 pi and ut minus 2 pi, then what will happen? Um, no. T, no, 2 pi. Then from this instant of this one, from this take the negative of this one and subtract from this one, then you will get the this node. Okay, so here will be t minus pi and ut minus pi, here 2 pi and 2 pi, then e to the minus pi s, here 2 pi s. So take the negative sign and you will get e to the minus pi s upon s square plus 1 plus e to the minus 2 pi s upon s square plus 1. Though then what will happen, f1s minus e to the minus pi s 1 plus e to the minus pi s upon s square plus 1. So fs is equal to f1 s multiply by 1 minus e to power ts, but t is not is a periodic, f1 s 1 upon 1 minus 2 pi s. Okay, so f1 s pi s 1 plus e to the minus pi s upon s square plus 1 and 1 minus e to the power 2 pi s. Okay, so after simplification you will get fs is equal to minus e to the power pi s upon s square plus 1 and here negative a square minus b square, a plus b, so then 1 minus e to the minus pi s will be the right answer. Okay, now come to next question. Fs is equal to L means Laplace transform of ft is equal to k upon s plus 1 s square plus. Then ft t tends to infinity. In time domain infinity, what will happen? For ft solution t domain infinity as fs tends to 0. Okay, now check it. But one condition, this one is the satisfy when no one poles in right side or mirror imaginary complex pole on imaginary axis. Okay, so here is the two poles on imaginary axis. Okay, so this condition will be not satisfied, means undefined. We cannot define. Okay, the option D will be the right answer. Generally in question, some exams given s square minus 4, and then find out the final theorem. Though then in that condition we cannot find out, because response will not settle. It will become the exponential e to power at to t. So it will be the response will be the final at t tend to infinity. It will be the infinity. We cannot determine. In that value we cannot determine. Next question. The Laplace transform of unit ramp function starting from t is equal to a. Unit ramp from a, this one is the ramp signals. Then rt is 1 upon s square. So rt minus a will be e to the power minus as upon s square. So option C will be the right answer. Okay, thank you for watching. Next video I will upload Laplace transform question which is asking gate after 1994. Okay, and in this way 10 question ways I will cover all the Laplace transform question which is asked in gate, and also I will put a concept to find out the Laplace transform through the problems. Not I cannot take your class. I will take as a question solving practice for gate. Okay.